Hello. So today we are going to talk about Easter, all right? And whether you call it Easter or Resurrection Sunday is none of my business, but we going to talk about how to make some money because every time there is a holiday or every time there is an event going on where we are all celebrating the same thing, it is a perfect opportunity for you to make money, launch your business, or anything like that, right? So the first thing that I want for you to do is click the link in my description and sign up for Printify, because not only is it easier than ever for you to start a business and start selling immediately, but now you don't have to worry about inventory, spending a bunch of money up front, packing, shipping, or anything like that, right? So for the sake of today's video, we're going to do a t-shirt together for Easter, and we're going to do it completely with AI. We're going to let AI do all of this for us because why not? You can use AI and you can make money, and like it's a win-win. All right, so sign up for Printify. The link is in my description. And so that way you look through, see what you want to sell. Like I said, today I'm going to use a t-shirt just for this example. Then I want for you to go to ChatGPT. Okay, you to go on ChatGPT, and I want for you to type in 5 ways to make money with an Easter t-shirt or product, right? Let's say quick money. And you're going to take all that ChatGPT gives you, okay? And you're going to keep this in mind. And look at that. I did not tell ChatGPT we was using Printify. It did it itself. And it said Etsy or Shopify. So clearly you see Printify is the way to go. All right. So go through this, play around, ask ChatGPT a bunch of questions. If you have no idea where to begin, start with AI, right? We have the tools available. I know some people are like, oh, I'm so scared, I don't want to use it. Listen. Okay, if you need some extra money right now, if it's time for you to start your side hustle, don't be afraid to use ChatGPT, okay? Instead of you sitting there for years trying to figure out where to start, just do this, okay? So that's the first thing that I want, or the second thing, right? Because we've already started on Printify. Then we went to ChatGPT. We're using AI to get some ideas. Now we're going to go into Printify. We're going to go back into Printify. And like I said, I'm using a t-shirt for an example. Once you play around with ChatGPT, figure out what you want to sell, figure out who you want to sell to, figure out how you're going to start doing your social media strategy. Yes, you can ask her all of this. We're going to now create our t-shirt using AI. You can create any products with AI using Printify, and you do not have to spend money up front to, and I apologize that I keep touching my glasses. They're like falling off my face. You don't have to use, or you don't have to spend any money to get started. So we're going to go to women's clothing, and I'm going to select t-shirts. I'm going to select my t-shirt, and they're going to let you know like how much it costs. So we're going to start designing. And as you can see, I have my blank canvas. It's just a white shirt, and that little area that you see, that is our area to design. You can see at the top, it says front side, back side, sleeve left, sleeve right, neck, label, inner. Those are all the places that you can design on the shirt. For the sake of this video, we're just going to do it right in the front, okay? So that black plus sign, that means let's get to the money, okay? So there are several options on how you can add a design using Printify. Today, we are using AI to help us make money from start to finish. So we're going to hit AI. So we're going to enter in Easter. You can enhance this prompt to give you a little bit more. So I'm going to do that. All right. I'm going to just go back to just putting Easter. I'm going to keep it simple. And you gotta just give it a little time to breathe and to think, okay? All right, so this is interesting. not my first choice, but you could love it. You have a certain amount of attempts that you can use every single day with the AI. So I am going to, let me see, what do I want? Okay, I'm gonna do something with the Easter Bunny. Now let's see what we get. Okay, that's not funny. So I'm gonna try it again. And you can just do this and play around with it for as long as you want to. For the sake of the video, I'm just gonna choose whichever one comes up next. But take your time, play around. This still ain't funny, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just use it, okay? So as you can see, it is going to go right in there where the shirt is. You can change the color of the shirt. I'm gonna leave it white for the sake of our example. And now we have a little, and honestly, if I was gonna use something like this, it would be, I would market it to kids, right? I would put this on Etsy or Shopify and say, exclusive Easter kids t-shirt, right? That was not my goal when I set out to create this today, but hey, we got it. So now we are going to generate our product. We're going to generate our product description using AI, which they already have. So cute Easter Bunny graphic tee, and then they put a whole description in there for you. You can add a size table, like all of this is already done for you. You're gonna come in, you're gonna edit your price, change that, and it will show you what your profit is going to be. From there, you are going to publish this shirt and you can sell it on Etsy or Shopify, TikTok Shop, any of those. You can put on TikTok Shop and make videos about cute Easter outfits for kids, right? If this was me, I'm grabbing my nieces, nephews, some kids, I'm putting on them, I'm showing them how cute it is for Easter, right? This is just what we came up with today, but I would definitely keep playing around and see if I can find some different variations, play around with different products, and go from there. But literally, you can start selling your Easter shirt today to start selling money, all right? All of this with AI, from coming up with the idea to creating the design to coming up with our product descriptions without you having to spend money up front, okay? Hello? I love it. Get started now, all right? Easter is around the corner, so let's start making that money today. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.